You can see here, this is Tradescantia Zebrina, and it's got this nice trailing habit. This is what it does. Now, it doesn't actually do it in the vertical sense. It prefers actually to do it horizontally. It grows prostrate along the ground in this kind of a manner along here. So that is one tip actually. You'll find that if you start to grow a Tradescantia so that it's hanging over a pot, it will try to curl up, and that's not always what you want it to do. You might want it to do that, that might be fine. I mean, on this red jewel, I quite like the effect where it's growing upwards a little bit. This one seems perfectly happy trailing down and then moving upwards. So that little tip that I was just mentioning is to try trailing them on a horizontal surface first. You'll find they go much faster and they go much further, and then you can pick it up and you can hang it down and it will look better. Of course, the ends will start to curl up, but that's just what it'll do.